Welcome. Sometimes our minds hold on to people long after they're meant to leave. We replay memories, imagine conversations, or even feel drawn to them when it is very painful. Sometimes we're trying to detach from people who have hurt us deeply, or we are stuck in limerence, one sided relationships, trauma bonds, attachment issues, grief from losing someone, or even unresolved feelings from a very troubled relationship. This meditation is for gently releasing those images, memories, and thoughts and creating space for joy, freedom, and self love. Take a moment now to get comfortable, close your eyes, and allow yourself to be fully immersed. Begin by taking a deep breath. Inhale calm. Exhale tension. Allow your body to settle. Your mind to soften. Bring to mind the person you wish to release. Don't force it. Let it come naturally. Notice any memories, moments shared, or even imagine scenes that come up. One by one, treat each memory or image as a small clip or a picture in your mind. Imagine holding an eraser or a gentle fire or tearing up the image. You can even throw it in the water. Slowly removing that memory. Watch it fade, burn, dissolve, and disappear, leaving your mind lighter and lighter with each one gone. Take your time. There is no rush. If your mind creates new images, or even imagine scenarios, notice them gently and release them in the same way. Focus on your breath. As you continue doing this process, inhale clarity, exhale attachment. Feel the weight lifting off from your chest, from your heart, and from your mind. Now, slowly bring your attention to the main image of the person. See them fully. And gently erase, burn, or let them fade completely from your mind. Notice the space that opens up like a calm, clear room. Yours to fill up completely. In this newfound space, begin to bring up images or memories of yourself. See yourself laughing, smiling, walking freely, enjoying moments of joy and happiness. Imagine your inner child playing, curious, light, and carefree. Feel the warmth of self-love. the freedom of being present, the delight in your own company. With each breath, allow this positive image to expand, filling every corner of your mind and heart. Repeat silently to yourself. I am free. I am joyful. I am whole. I am enough. Notice how your energy shifts, how your heart feels lighter, and your mind feels clear. Slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and your toes, feeling grounded and centered. Carry this sense of joy, freedom, and clarity with yourself. Remember, letting go of the past allows your happiness and peace to return. You're always free, you're always whole, you are always safe, and you are always joy. Thank you so much for being part of this.